To mark the first anniversary of India's Republic Day, the President, Dr. Rajendra Prasad, arrived in state at Kingsway, New Delhi. He was greeted by Sardar Baldev Singh, Defence Minister, and also by the Naval and Air Force CMCs, who are British. The march past by token units of India's fighting services was very smart indeed. There was ample evidence that tradition was being fully maintained. Representatives from India's most famous regiments were on parade, many of them veterans of World War II. Just returned from the Commonwealth Conference in London, where he strongly urged policies of negotiation, Mr. Nehru, the Prime Minister, now took stock of his country's military strength as troops, artillery and armour went by. Yes, Republic Day in New Delhi was certainly impressive.